Hi, it's me, PamVanEe, and I have an unboxing from Grabie. And let's see what I have this month. It is, the box name for this month is called, I'm sure it's in here, Threads of Time box. Look at that awesome box. These boxes are really nice to keep too. And you get a lot of stuff in here. So once a month you can join the Grabie Scrapbook Club box. And I will have a link for a 15% discount code for this Grabie kit. You're going to get 200 plus pages of Threads of Time collage activity book, Serenity Textures paper pack. You're going to get the black and white floral lace pack, a precision paper cutter pen. You're going to get wooden coconut shell button theme pack, a scalloped wood ruler, and a double-sided adhesive dot runner. And for Joy for All. And there is the link. This is such a cool box. So, my next project will be a sewing theme journal using some of these supplies. Oh, look at that. That's even pretty too. Threads of Time. That's so pretty. And it's wrapped so beautifully. It's exciting. And you get your box every month. Look at this. Check it out. I think I'll take it all out and then I'll put it back into the box. Okay, so here is the buttons. I think I'm going to put them in here so you can really see everything you get. Lots of cool wood buttons that I can add to a sewing theme journal for sure. Then we have some of this really pretty stretchy lace. It's black and white. Quite a bit. Looks like a yard probably. Well, that'll be pretty. Then we get an adhesive dot runner, 16.4 feet. Neater than glue or glue sticks. Easy refill cartridge. Rotatable tape head. So that will be fun to use in a project. Look at this really pretty wood lace ruler. Here's one of their stickers. Oh, look at this paper. It's like perforated and textured. It's got a vintage look to it. So definitely can add these. They're very textured. Very pretty. Then look, it's a cutout and stick it collage book. Collectible gift inside. I've not had one of these from Grabie. It has like sewing, like a sewing, like thread look. It's pretty. It's a collage book. Threads of Time. Ooh, look at that. That page could be used. The opening chapter sets the stage for our journey, shifting from the masterworks of the canvas to the physical threads that define the past. And they have a perforated edge. Well, that's like wood. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's pretty. A silent narrative woven from depth and shadow. Rembrandt's art. The beautiful lace. Oh, look at that. Johannes Vermeer. So you've got artwork and textiles. Well, this would make a very elegant vintage journal, wouldn't it? And like the fabrics. It's like almost like a sequined lace. Ooh. Look at all the textures. And the gems. It looks like a burlap. This is a little sticker sheet. Ooh, look at that beautiful satin fabric. And that fashion. Come to designer, cut, layer, and collage new patterns onto Adele's golden gowns. So you can add all kinds of things. Collage. You can collage on that. Design a new spring frock. Oh, how fun. Bring the silk to life. And then you've got all these little vintage, these are cutouts, cut aparts. Oh, that's really pretty. Lots of cutouts. Vintage, so pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. These are cut aparts. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at all the vintage outfits. And the vintage ladies. And their parasols and frocks and fans. This is wonderful. This is going to be so much fun. Look at that. Tea. You could incorporate tea. It's all cut aparts here. This also, I love the blue pattern. Love blue. So I'll incorporate some blue. Oh, look at that orange and the blue. It's like a tweed, a little tweed. These are all like textured look and plaid. Cloth, thread, and texture. 3 pillars of fashion. And you got some denim. Oh, look at the denim. Jean for more casual textile patterns. Like faux stitching with the denim. The zipper. Oh, look at that. All these cut aparts, stickers. There. I think you cut that apart. I love that. Got alphabet stickers, like a torn look. You got alphabet. That looks like real denim. Cute in a farmhouse journal. Look at the little jeans pockets. So cute. And now we got lace. Got everything you can think of here. And a rose. You could do a rose journal. So these are cut apart. These cut apart here. And this vintage lace. Look at all this. Oh, it's a vellum. It's vellum. Another vellum. 3 things of vellum. That bow. Beautiful. Oh, and this blue. These are cut aparts. Love that texture look there. More cut aparts, vintage look. Put these in a journal. Or make tags out of them. More cut aparts or butterflies. Pretty gorgeous. Oh, look at the lace collars. Oh, and you can make a little vellum envelope. Another vellum envelope. Another one. Oh, quite a few. Make a beautiful vellum envelope. Oh, lots of them. And now, whoops, sorry. Let's hit the camera stand. Now we're coming to wool. Oh, look at the knitting and little balls of yarn. Oh, and the sheep. They're adorable. Oh, the grandma. She's knitting. Oh, those are pretty. And then embroidery hoop. Wow, you could make lots of journals with this just one sticker book. It's so pretty. More knitting. And I love the knitted paper look. And these are cut aparts, and they've got a nice weight to them. Oh, I love that. The suitcase cut apart. Put cool things in there and have it open. Because that would be the other side of it. Oh, more beautiful knitted. That shows the color a little better. Very pretty. The Atelier of the Soul Crafting the Garment. Sewing. Beautiful, delicate little calico print. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. We have friends that will be here tomorrow. Visiting from Michigan, so it'll probably be next week, so they'll be here a couple days. But after that, then I will get into this beautiful sticker book. It's more than just a sticker book, actually. It's got everything. Wow. It just goes on and on. Look, I love that. Don't you love that kind of browns with a little bluish gray? I can make so many things with this. You can make cards, you can make journals, you could scrapbook. Oh, I love those threads and that bow. I love it all, actually. And it's all cut apart, so you don't have to do any little fussy cutting. Yeah, this is all little shapes, I think, dress forms. Yeah, it's a dress form. They're easy to punch out. Pretty. And you could wrap, these could be labels, or you could wrap twine or fabric around there. A little photo slides. Oh, look at the buttons. Oh, wow. This is my favorite. Cut out and stick it. collage book. Oh my word, that is so pretty. Oh, I love rulers. And it has it's backed on both sides. Got lots of cool labels. Great, more rulers. Oh, and some buttons. I like it that these have a little shine to them. And then you've got, these are, I believe, stickers. Right? They got all the different stitches. Can't tell exactly. Yeah, I believe they're stickers, I think. Maybe you cut them. All different colors. Oh, and here's your little gift, which is an awesome magnet that you can add to the page. I'll open it up to show you. So don't forget to check out the 15% discount code for this box for this month. Yeah, it's a cute little magnet that you can add to a page. Look cute. Awesome. I love it. What does it say? It says, collect 6 bookmarks for a $20 Grabie gift card. Collect all 12 bookmarks for a surprise. For a surprise prize. Anyway, I love this so much. You got so much. So check out this box in the link, and you'll find all the information to this kit in your 15% discount code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.